Ever feel like you're playing catch up with your finances? Like there's a secret club everyone's in, and you're still trying to find the password? You're juggling bills, trying to save, maybe even thinking about investing, but it all feels complicated. You're not alone. A lot of us feel that way. We're living in a world of instant payments, subscriptions, and targeted ads, and it can be tough to keep track of where your money is actually going. That's where tools like KOHO come in. They're designed to simplify your financial life, giving you a clearer picture of your spending and helping you take control. Today, we're going to dive deep into one of those tools, KOHO. Specifically, we're going to walk through the entire sign-up process, step by step, so you can see just how easy it is to get started. No more financial FOMO. We're getting you in the club today. But before we jump into the how-to, let's quickly touch on what KOHO actually is. Think of it as a hybrid between a prepaid MasterCard and a budgeting app. You load money onto your KOHO card, and then you can use it just like a regular credit or debit card, online, in stores, everywhere MasterCard is accepted. The magic happens with the app. It tracks all your spending in real time, categorizes it automatically, and gives you insights into your spending habits. It can even help you save. They have features like Roundup, where your purchases are rounded up to the nearest dollar and the spare change goes into a savings goal. Pretty neat, right? So, are you ready to ditch the financial confusion and take charge of your money? Let's get started with the KOHO sign-up process. It's easier than you think. First things first, you'll need to download the KOHO app. It's available for both iOS and Android devices. Just head to the App Store or Google Play Store and search for KOHO. Look for the official app. It should have the KOHO logo, which is a stylized K. Once you've found it, tap that download button and let it install. While the app is downloading, let's talk about what you'll need to have handy. You'll need a valid email address, a phone number, and a piece of government-issued ID. This is a standard procedure for financial services to verify your identity and keep everything secure. Don't worry, KOHO uses secure encryption to protect your information. Okay, the app should be installed by now. Open it up. You'll be greeted with a welcome screen. Tap on the Sign Up or Get Started button. It might vary slightly depending on the app version. Now, you'll be asked to enter your email address. Make sure it's an email address you have access to, because KOHO will send a verification email to it. Type in your email address carefully and double-check for any typos. Then, tap Next. Next up, you'll need to create a password. Choose a strong password that's a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Don't reuse passwords you use for other accounts. Security is key. Once you've entered your password twice to confirm it, tap Next again. Now for the phone number verification. Enter your phone number, making sure to include the correct country code. KOHO will send you a verification code via text message. This is another security measure to make sure it's really you signing up. Once you receive the code, enter it in the app. Alright, almost there. Now comes the identity verification step. KOHO will ask you to take a photo of your government-issued ID. Make sure you're in a well-lit area and the photo is clear and legible. The app will guide you through the process, so just follow the instructions. This step is crucial for KOHO to verify your identity and comply with regulations. Once you've uploaded the photo of your ID, you'll likely be asked to take a selfie. Again, make sure it's a clear photo and matches the ID you provided. This helps KOHO confirm that the person in the ID is actually you. After you've submitted your ID and selfie, KOHO will review your application. This usually takes a few minutes, but in some cases, it might take a bit longer. Be patient. They'll notify you via email or in the app once your application is approved. Congratulations! If your application is approved, you'll be able to activate your KOHO card. You'll typically have the option to order a physical card, which will be mailed to you, or you can start using a virtual card immediately within the app. The virtual card is perfect for online purchases. Once you have your card, whether physical or virtual, you'll need to load some money onto it. You can do this through various methods, like linking your bank account or using a prepaid card. The app will guide you through the process. And that's it. You've successfully signed up for KOHO. Now you can start using your card, track your spending in real time, and take advantage of all the budgeting and saving features. Explore the app, play around with the different features, and start taking control of your finances. Remember, KOHO is a tool. It's designed to help you, but it's not a magic bullet. The real power comes from using it consistently and making conscious decisions about your spending. Take advantage of the insights the app provides, set budgets, and track your progress. One last tip, KOHO has a great customer support team. If you have any questions or run into any issues during the sign-up process or afterwards, don't hesitate to reach out to them. They're there to help. So, there you have it. A complete walkthrough of the KOHO sign-up process. It's pretty straightforward, right? No more excuses for financial confusion. Go ahead, download the app, and start your journey towards financial freedom. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.